Hope you all having an awesome day. Quick one here on nat gas, gold, silver, crude oil, starting with natural gas. And what do we have? Right here, the target of 1.618 retracement has been hit. What a nice push up from 50% to 1.618 retracement. Rejection exactly as expected, and price is now inside a level of resistance on all three platforms here on capital.com, here on Nemix, and here on Ovanda. Now, let me show you what I said in my last video so that we can connect the dots from there and you can understand how we entered. What do we have? And as you can see, the price is now pushing up and pulling back as well towards my 50% retracement Fibonacci level. So like I mentioned yesterday, we can see some sort of correction here in the RSI. We are in the overbought situation, so correction is expected. And if you see more retracement to 50%, that will be my buy limit order by keeping my stop loss below the EMS and take profit 1-to-1, and then my bigger targets will be till 1.618 retracement. And let me show you how nicely the price pulls back. Price nicely hit 50% retracement exactly. Now we are in the resistance level, but I'm still looking at 1.618 retracement for the bigger target. If you have exit at this zone, that is also a safe play. If you are someone who are managing it, please move your stop loss to break even. If you want to manage to 1.618 retracement, retest this trend line again, and now heading towards 1.618 retracements. Either with a good pullback, now this could be a retest of this previous anchor that has been broken. Now if the price, let's say, pushes up, hit the bigger target 1.618 retracement, that is I'm still expecting for the price to push up to, and forms bearish engulfer or double top pattern, that will be a strong. It is not guaranteed the price is going to pull back, as I don't see any bearish condition as of yet. Aggressive entry, remember, that has been triggered all the way from here, and I'm still looking at 1.618 retracement for the price to push up in a longer term. If you are someone who have entered here, you can also manage your position till 1.618 retracement. Otherwise, pullback entry bullish. Awesome. So you see how nicely the price pushed up, and if you were managing your trades, and that is something I've told you, manage it till 1.618 retracement and exit as well. Taking profits is very important. That's why I always say, don't marry your trades. It's just a date. Move on for the next trade. Now at this point, as now we are in the level of resistance, and price also broke above the previous high. Now we are still bullish, but I'm going to give you the conditions for sell as well. Now if you, in case you missed it, this level is 2.975, goes to 3.110. Here on Ovanda, we have this level, not a major level, which is 2.679, goes to 2.740. And here on Nemix, we have this level, a major level, 2.990, goes up to 3.126. So coming back on capital.com, you need to mark these zones on your charts as well. Now as price broke above the previous highs and also hit the target of 1.618 retracement here on Ovanda, and here on Nemix as well, nicely hitting the targets. So at this point, I'll be looking for my buy and sell trades both. Now looking at this overbought situation in the RSI, expect some corrections out of that. Now either expect a deep pullback to this anchor or to 50 EMA, followed by bullish engulfer, and keep on riding along in a trending market. Now first, the price used 20 EMA as the trend support. As you can see, I'm going to show you some examples. Since the uptrend has been started, right here, 20 EMA as a support, 20 EMA as a support, 20 EMA as a support, and then once broke below 50 EMA, 20 EMA, 50 EMA, followed by bullish engulfer, one of the entry I've already taken, we have already discussed in the YouTube video, and then it pushes up. So first is 20 EMA, second is 50 EMA for the trend support. So at this point, either we're going to see a pullback to 20 EMA again, followed by bullish condition. Now 20 EMA, hitting 20 EMA doesn't mean the price is going to push up from here. Yes, it can likely, but for entries, we are not guessing. Now here, as you can see, it rejected from 20 EMA. We took a trade on 1 hour time frame, double top pattern I've shown in my yesterday's video, and then it pushed back up. But for entries, clear bullish engulfer either above 20 EMA, must be above 50 EMA, which is must. Or if let's say we have no condition here, price keep on pushing down to 50 EMA, that will be a strongest entry, and here I will go for the better reward to risk ratio for my trade. So still trending up, but look for your buy conditions only. As now we are in the in the resistance area as well. If this candle, next candle turns out to be bearish engulfing candle, means we have a sell signal and price gonna give us some good and deep pullback that could break below 50 EMA and hit down to the level of support as well if we have a bearish engulfing pattern here. But for the targets, I'll keep my stop loss above and take profit. I'll go 1 to 1 initially and manage it till 1.4 to 1 if you want to manage your trades. So that is what I'll be looking at for my sell trades if we have a condition. If there is no condition for sell here, if a price pull back, push back up, forms double top pattern, that is also one of my sell conditions. So as long as we are inside the zone, we are also looking for sell trades. With that, we are looking for the buy trades with conditions only for the trending market. So look for the conditions. Conditions are something we need to wait. Once we have that, we're good to go for our trades. Overall, we are still nicely bullish and looking for trending market trade, but not to ignore the fact we are in the level of resistance where we are also looking for sell trade. Remember, no conditions, no trade. But with conditions, we are still going to enter our trade. So keep an eye. These are conditions now we are looking at for the possible trades. Hey, on NEMIX, hit the level of resistance right up there. We have already mentioned that a while ago. Now, at this point, bearish engulfer will be my entry, or it can still go inside the zone, forms bearish engulfer or double top pattern will be my sell entry. Otherwise, a deep pullback to 50 EMA could be an entry condition from where I'm going to go long again till I see a sell condition here. So as long as price making higher highs, I'm going to take my buy trades with conditions like bullish engulfer. Once I see a sell condition, only then we are going to take our sell trade. So keep an eye. These are conditions I'll be looking at for my possible trade. Here on Wanda, it is a zone which is a minor level. That can be broken easily. That is why for me, I will looking at my major level for my possible sell trades. And the major level is right here. We have a good level. Now I've just readjusted the zone for the major level, one below and one above. Below is a good level and above is a very good level. Now the level below is 2.864. That goes up to 3.005. It's a major level of resistance. But above that is also a weekly level, a big level. So for now, what I'm expecting for the price, I'm expecting for the price to either forms a bearish engulfer here in this zone or double top pattern in this zone. That is all I'm looking at, or a deep pullback followed by bullish engulfer and keep on taking long. So here on Wanda, just looking for the pullback entry, bullish or double top pattern if we have that in the minor area of value. Otherwise, we have a zone above from where we are looking for the sell counter trade. So keep an eye. These are the conditions now I'll be looking at for the possible trades. Now here on gold, we have a good condition on a daily time frame. But if you're wondering if that's a valid bullish engulfer, it is not one of the valid bullish engulfer. In case you are wondering, according to my pullback entries, I won't be taking it as an entry. This is something I teach in my course with every single rule, all this Fibonacci entries, pullback entries with the exact rules for that. It is something that I can't cover in a single video. So for now, if you look here on a daily time frame, we have a bullish engulfing pattern. So looking at that, ATR of this candle is $33. That is good. So for that, I'm expecting a price to push up from here, which is 2643, and till 2677, which is $33 move on a daily time frame. Same amount of a stop loss. So that's what I'll be looking at on daily time frame. We are looking at a buy signal and price will likely to push up, but slowly as that's on a daily time frame. But on 4 hour, all I'm waiting for the price to break above this high, then a pullback, and then a pullback entry bullish only. So that is what I'll be looking at for gold on a smaller time frame. So keep looking for that. Expect a rejection from here, pullback, and then a possible continuation towards 1.618 retracement, which I'm looking at for the longer term targets. Here on silver, we have hit a level of rejection. Now here, preferably I would like to see a break above this high for my next pullback entry bullish. But now in this level, if the price forms a bearish engulfing pattern, in that case we can expect some sort of big pullback. Silver has pushed up out of this double bottom that happens at the trend support, and that nicely pushed the price high. But for my sell trades, either a bearish engulfer, that is what I'll be looking at, or inverted hammers. If the price pushes up, leave the wick here and forms inverted hammers. If we have that, in that case we have a sell signal for the short term. That is enough to hit your targets, pull back, and then push back up. So that's what I'll be looking at. Look for the sell signal. For buying, I'm only looking for the price to break above this high and then a pullback, and keep on taking trend continuation trades out of silver. And also, you know, the situation happening in the Middle East, that is why I'm expecting the commodities to push higher as well. Lastly, we have crude oil. As you can see, that was mentioned in my last video. Now that push up might have happened because of the Middle East situation, but as I heavily do my analysis, technically that was a zone that is also mentioned way before that. And for my zone, the price pushed up in combination of fundamentals push that fueled the price higher as well. That is how I use my zones and take my trades in confluence in a combination of fundamentals. If there is big news events, I also look at my zones. I don't take my trades blindly. If it's aligning with my technical factors, the news is aligning, then it is good for me to take my trades. Now, so at this point, you can see a possible rejection and the price is forming a valid bearish 382 candle. If that close as a bearish 382 candle, only then that is an aggressive double top pattern. For that, I'll keep my stop loss above this pattern. Take profit can be 1 to 1 initially, and then we can see a possible push down 50 EMA. 250 EMA. If you have a bullish engulfer, then price will likely to push back up. So that push down will be enough to hit your targets if we have that. If we have a condition here. If there's no condition, if this candle turns to be a green candle and then next candle turns out to be a bearish engulfer, that is also one of my sell signals. Let's say we have no signal and price close above with a solid body. In that case, we are looking at a major level right up there, which I'm going to mention in my upcoming video. So keep an eye. We are now in the resistance area. Look for the possible sell condition if we have. If not, we're going to still look for the buy condition once we have broken above this high. So wait for the conditions for your possible trades. So that's it for commodities, guys. Hope you got a value. If yes, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new so that we can all trade together and trade efficiently. Hope you trade green. See you guys in the next one. Till then, take care.